Hello, welcome back. Do you want to sound like an English native speaker? Then use these phrasal verbs. Here are some words you mustn't use and words you can use to sound more native. Don't say search, say instead look up. Here's an example. Can you look up the definition? Don't say I respect you. Say, I look up to you. Say I hope you pull through instead of saying get better. It's boring when you say she is planning to visit her. Instead say, she's planning to call on her. Here are some more phrasal verbs. When we want to sound more informal, we can use words such as reduce, cut down, and decrease. For example, I need to cut down on sugar. When you want to start a new hobby or activity, you can say took on. Like, I took on a new course. The word withdraw sounds too formal. Use back out instead. For example, can a buyer back out on a contract to purchase my home? Don't say mention. Say bring up. You always bring up your ex. If you want to sound more native, practice listening activities and discussion in an informal setting. This is the best method by far. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.